When you've been in a truck wreck or you've lost a loved one in a truck wreck, it's the first time it's ever happened to you. But it's happened to these billion-dollar corporations over and over and over.
The sheer size of a commercial truck makes the injuries and the damage significantly worse. When there's a commercial truck involved, there is no such thing as a fender bender.
Many of these trucks are overused, the drivers are overworked.
Other than driver error, the most common cause of truck wrecks is mechanical failure.
Many times, and most of the time, there are injuries involved, serious injuries involved, or even, unfortunately, death. You want to hold the trucking company responsible. That means you've got the evidence to prove that they did it. They're liable. It's their fault.
Once the truck reports an accident, they have teams that immediately go out within hours, not in your favor, but in the favor of the defendant, the truck company.
You have to fight fire with fire. They're gathering evidence. You need a lawyer that understands how they do business, how they investigate, how they deal with evidence.
Evidence like skid marks, driver cell phone records, and other critical information disappears quickly or becomes unavailable.
That evidence is what builds your case. That evidence is what's going to ultimately win your case. It's our job to put that evidence together to build your case.
This is a highly regulated, highly specialized type of law.
You have to have a lawyer who is knowledgeable and experienced in trucking cases to be able to navigate through all of the federal regulations.
Be able to investigate thoroughly the process that's going on with the records keeping. You also need to be able to understand what's causing problems with the mechanical side of the truck.
Here at Ferrer, Poirot in Wansbrough, we have a network of attorneys all over the country. We have working for us some of the best trucking attorneys in the world. And we'll also have local counsels who know the court system, who know the judges, and who know their way around.
At Ferrer, Poirot in Wansbrough, we are the voice for the injured clients.
With our firm, when you hire us, we're not going to do anything but handle your case as best as it possibly can be done.
Any personal injury attorney will tell you they do truck wrecks, but here at Ferrer, Poirot in Wansbrough, that's what we concentrate in. We come to you, we're going to learn your story, we're going to sit down with you and your family. We have represented individuals injured by wrecks for over 35 years.
Ferrer, Poirot in Wansbrough is dedicated to you and your community to make sure that the roads are safe. And when these wrecks do happen, these companies are held responsible.